Well guys, I'm on the middle of stripping the car down, and so far I removed out this junk, and right now I'm on the other side removing the door handle. But to remove the door handle you have to remove the door cover, and let me show you what I found. My original speakers are looking like this. I have been listening with these speakers for years, but the thing is I don't care about the music, and that's why I never bothered to change them. The music is not my priority, so that's why. I'm going to replace them probably, but we'll see if I'm not too lazy. And I'm stripping down the car because tomorrow I'm going to drive her to the paint shop and leave her for painting, and hopefully after a month or two I should have her back and she will look like new. But I also have to remove this crap because, as you remember, I repaired the rust here, so I'll remove the seal and I think I can glue her back, but we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but for now I'm just gonna remove the seal. Anyway, stripping the car down is not too difficult, especially this is not my first time doing this, and most of the parts have been out of the car before, so for me it's a lot easier. Drilling out the river nuts for the hood vent wasn't fun. It took forever, but finally I'm done, and now you can see the turbo. I should leave it like that, maybe. So I'm pretty much done with disassembling the car. The only thing left is the headlights, the tail lights, you know, the bumpers, but all this is gonna be done at the shop. To take me probably 30-40 minutes, and that's how the car looks for now. I bought a new bumper, and this is how it arrived. Folded. Actually it was a lot worse, but I already unfolded it a little bit, and apparently this is how they ship it now, to save on shipping, because nowadays they think they're smarter. This is actually my third bumper I'm buying from these guys, and the last time it was in a appropriate box, but now they're shipping it in this box, which is still big box, but not big enough. And to fix it I'll have to heat it up a little bit, and it will be good, I know that, but I have to do some extra step, which I don't like. Now it looks a lot better, so you guys can see. Maybe you can leave it on the sun, but today is not sunny, and that's why I had to use the heat gun. The car is pretty much ready for the trip to the paint shop. It's about 30-40 minutes drive, ain't too bad, and I don't like driving like this because as you can see the window is it's moving a lot. Anyway, I put my other wheels because I don't want to mess up my RPF ones, so oh, my alignment is fucked up. Not my alignment, but my the wheel balance. That sucks. Well, I'm taking the back road because I don't feel so safe with this car right now. stripped down, as you guys can see. Looking pretty sick like this. From the back, I should leave it without rear bumper maybe.